The Tuesday that almost broke me and how I doubled my production in 90 days. Let me tell you about the Tuesday that almost made me quit insurance. I had 7 appointments scheduled. 7. I drove 180 miles that day. Hit 3 different counties. 2 no-shows. 3 I need to think about it. 1 guy who just wanted free advice. And 1 actual app. Just 1. I got home at 9 p.m., exhausted, and did the math. After gas, time, and everything else, I basically made $40 that day. And I thought, there has to be a better way. So here's what I figured out. What if I could sell insurance online without seeing people face to face using automation I heard about? What if they were already pre-sold and bought insurance off my website? What if the entire application happened online, and I never had to leave my house or see someone face to face? Sounds like a fantasy, right? Except it's not. I discovered Ethos Life, A+ rated, 100,000 plus agents already doing this, and built a system that runs 24/7. Ugly postcards and $10 per day Facebook ads that drive people to apply online. No home visits. No agent involvement. No chasing deadbeat people and leads. No more cold calling. Thomas G. and Helen S. In California? They're both doing 5 to 7 policies a week this way, all online. Yes, all online. I thought I could double, triple, even quadruple my sales by increasing my marketing budget. All done with automated. No more hours of windshield time. I could use my weird and ugly postcard $500 a day 3-step postcard system and social media gold system. And here's the crazy part. You can get the entire system, postcards, website, ad training, everything, for $27. $27. If you're tired of driving all over creation, chasing people who ghost you, go to www.success45.com, get the system for $27 and start building your automated insurance business online. Stop trading driving miles for maybes. Check it out at what do you have to lose? www.success45.com